Hello. So today I'm making a pot roast, just a simple in my Dutch oven. I'm not big into slow cookers or anything, but I'm kind of late getting this going, so let's get going because it's going to need to cook a little bit in the oven here, and I should have got started sooner. So I'll show you what I'm going to do. Alright, so I have some rough cut celery, some onions, I have some whole garlic here, and I'm just leaving them in like this. I have I'm seasoning it with rosemary, some garlic powder, some pepper, and I had these carrots, and I'm just going to use these baby carrots. I have some brandy, and well, I'll show you everything here in a little bit. So I browned up the meat. I'm going to pull that on here for a second. I'm going to throw my vegetables in here while it's still warm. Garlic. There's still enough olive oil in the pan. Carrots. Then I'm going to add some brandy. Drop my tongs. Maybe it scared me. And don't be too threatened by the little bit of a flame. You're just burning off the alcohol. Cook this a little bit. Fire alarm. Well, at least we know it works. Maybe it's a little late, huh? So I'm just going to go ahead and get my seasoning. The seasoning really is for the stock. Thing is done. Some rosemary. Some garlic. I'm going to put my meat back in there. I promise there is no other fire. Some black pepper. Sorry about that. Now some wine. This is a cup of wine. I actually kind of want the meat sitting on the vegetables. And I took 2 cups of beef broth and added xanthan gum to it. So, well, I think I took there's 2 cups of beef broth, and then I took 1 cup of beef broth and added the xanthan gum to it. I'm just trying to figure out what's the best way to get that mixed in. And then we're going to add this. Now you see the broth, it's thick. It's thicker, but it's not thick. And obviously I'm not putting any potatoes in it. And this is going in the oven. I always forget. And that's going in the oven. Okay, so my pot roast has been cooking for 2.5 hours at 275. 2.5 hours at 75. Let's take a look. And remember, that's always hot. Alright, looks good. It's real tender. You see how easy that fork goes in there? Can you see it okay? Yeah. Looks good. Try the broth a little bit. Very good. So there you go. It's very tender, very good. You know, the sauce is still thin. You know, it's not like a gravy, but without using flour, and I'm still practicing with xanthan gum, you know, I'm happy with it. Thanks, see you next time.